this up. Slide this forward. Slide up. This time's plug. So your new bumper is going to cover these. I'm going to take these reflectors off. The original bumper off, you're going to have to drill out these 4 rivets just with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Bumper should slide out the front. Kind of wiggle it out. It's a 7/32 inch drill bit. These pre-marked holes on each side. So you got a few pieces here. You want to make sure you get the right sides matched up with each other. Then you're just going to take your 2 small bolts, join these 2 pieces together. Bar for your exhaust tab. So I'll slide that through your original bumper hole. Then you take your new bracket for your bumper. You're going to place it down in there. I got these bolts just a little bit too far. There you go. And you gotta get your nut to go on. So a 5/16 inch drill bit. Just going to drill those 2 holes through your plastic, using the plate as a template for your drilling. So 5/16 inch drill bit, just to make your holes in your bottom pan big enough for your new bolts. So you gotta drill your hole through your bottom pan. 5/16 drill bit again. And line that up. 8mm by 40 long. A small washer on the outside on the bolt, and then a large washer on the inside on the nut. Screwdriver to line up those holes. Tighten these ones first. M8 by 55 and a washer. Go in through those holes. Large washer and a nut. You got those bolts in place, not tight yet. You're going to tighten up these front ones. Just small bolts so they don't have to be tight or over tight. Now you're going to tighten the 4 in the front. You're going to do kind of a X, so you'll go front one side, back the other side, and then your opposite sides. Tighten these 4 to give you a range of 15 to 18 foot-pounds. Again, with the 5/16 drill bit, you use your bumper as a template and just drill a hole in the plastic where that bolt needs to go through. Notice how it covers that where that reflector used to be, so that's why I'd take them off. Okay, so now after you drill that hole, you got your long M8 by 60 bolt with your small washer on it. Go through, and then you got a shim and nut. And the shim goes on there so that your nut has a flat point to tighten on, because where it lines up is right in the curve of the inside part of your bumper. You want that to create a flat surface just like that. You're just going to tighten them up so they're close to where they need to be, because you don't want to over tighten them or else they'll just start bending that bar and pulling it in. So gonna get them kind of snug. And again, just so your washers aren't moving around or anything. And that's about as tight as you want it. You also start to pull that bar in that way and bending it, and you don't want that. Gave you a new clip with the bumper for your thermocouple. So that it's got a big and a small hole, small pin, big pin. Just push that in there. Now, final step. You're just gonna put your new reflectors on. Pretty much line themselves up. That. Here. Them in there. Pull it forward, up,